Hello there, fellow marketer. Question: do you do online marketing? Is organic search not doing enough to drive traffic to your website? Do you want to know how paid traffic will benefit you? Well, you have come to the right place. You see, more than 2 billion people use social media every day. And the average person spends 135 minutes per day on social networks. The number of small businesses advertising on Facebook alone has doubled to 50 million in recent months. In short, brands that don't advertise online risk falling behind. So, how do you advertise online? And what is the best method for my business? And how do I know what will work and what won't work for my business? Which platforms do I use? And how much will it cost me? Where do I get all these questions answered? Well, you could pay expert companies to teach you, at a premium price. Or, you could pay for an online course for each individual paid ads platform, at a large expense to you. Or, you could go it alone. Fear not. We have the perfect solution. Introducing AdMax. AdMax is a complete and comprehensive training course that covers everything related to paid advertising. It's your one-stop shop for paid advertising knowledge. Period. We take you through everything, step by step. From an overview of paid advertising, paid channel pricing models, how to select the right paid advertising network, steps for a successful online advertising campaign, social media advertising guides on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and YouTube. Hints and tips on how to do effective paid advertising. And much more. Plus, we teach you about all the different types of paid ads out there. And here's the thing that makes us stand out from the crowd. We give you 4 complete video training products for free as part of the AdMax product, covering Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, LinkedIn advertising, and YouTube advertising. We couldn't make AdMax any better, even if we tried. So get your copy of AdMax at this special, low discounted price. But hurry! It won't stay at this special price for long. Get your copy of AdMax now.